How to sell crypto on Binance P2P trading. Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to sell crypto on Binance P2P trading. So what you have to do is, for that you just have to go and log in into your Binance account first thing. So here, go to your wallet tab, and from there you need to go to fundings. So over here, what you have to do is select P2P and make sure to select the buy button, and make sure to read the terms and condition as well. And here you need to go and select the ways you want to do it. So enter the total amount, all of that, and click on buy with zero fees, all of that. When you're on the fundings page, go to transfer and make sure that you are doing it from funding to spot wallet. Select the coin and confirm the transaction. When you've actually done this procedure, then you'll be able to see your balance displayed right at the bottom. Next, what you have to do is you need to go to the same page, go to fundings and select P2P. Here, go ahead and press the buy button and enter the exact asset, or select the asset that you wish to buy. Then you need to enter the exact amount, or you could also go to transfer and enter the exact amount, confirm the transaction. Then you'll have successfully sold USDT on Binance P2P trading. So by following these steps, you should have successfully sold crypto on Binance P2P trading. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.